So what you can use this for is to reduce a lot of tension and pressure in your muscles. It helps break up small adhesions, which are like packs of blocks of muscle tissue in one space, to allow them to heal and line up properly so that way you can get the best motion possible. And it'll feel like a little self-massage that you're going to do to roll with it. You want to use as much body weight as you can when you're putting the pressure into the roller, and it allows it to roll through with it. So we're going to do the first one, which is calves. A lot of people have a lot of calf tightness. So you put the roller down, and you're going to put your calf on the roller on the top. You're going to use your body weight to push into it to get that massage. So it'll be like someone pushing into you, except you're pushing into the roller with your body, so you're getting that same effect. You can either keep your foot relaxed or pointed. I like to put mine at a stretch. So you're going to put all your body weight down through. You're going to start at the bottom and roll your way up towards the top. You're going to take about 7 seconds to go from the bottom of your leg and go slowly up through the muscle. You can get the inside, you can get the outside. You want to make sure that you spend quality time going all the way up to the end of your lower leg and then back. Very slowly, controlled, making sure you're putting weight into your body. If you feel a really tender or crunchy spot, you want to spend a little time and push a little harder and just sit in that space. This time you want to keep your foot relaxed so that muscle gets that tension and allows that knot to slowly dissipate on its own. Right? So when you're foam rolling, it's not quick and then I'm done. Right? You want to spend good quality time getting that release of each muscle. So you can do this in your hamstrings too. Same concept. Put body weight into it. You want to go inside and out, so spend some time going slow on the outside. 7 seconds up, 7 seconds down, controlled. Right? You can do the inside. Just make sure you spend a good minute, 30 seconds to a minute on each individual muscle piece. If you are going to foam roll your hamstring, make sure that you don't foam roll on the side. You can end up with a lot of bruising out here because there isn't a lot of blood flow there, and it's very sensitive tissue in that spot. If you want to get your glute, just go into a stretch. Sit over top and get a roll. Same thing, putting all my body weight into it, pushing down, going slow. If I want to get my quad, lay down, push, going slowly up towards my knee, controlled, move around, get a little bit on the inside. You can also hold the stretch on this at the same time, push down into it, really slow and controlled, find a knot, hold on to it for 30 seconds. For your back, you want to make sure that you do it in 3 different positions. If you have tight back, sit, you're going to hold a little bit of a crunch. Make sure you hold that TA that we talked about before, and get a good roll starting at the bottom. Go all the way up to the top. Keep the roll at your back. Then, after you do that for a while, go straight. Get a nice relaxed position at your back, and then go to relaxed back. You might feel a little pop when you do this just because the joint's in a good open position. The pop is normal as long as it isn't painful. You can also use a foam roller to get a good stretch in your upper body. So I can lay down on the middle of it, get a good stretch at my pec. If I hold open here, use gravity to open up. And then if I want to get a good roll at my pec to loosen up this space, you can even roll out your upper body on top as well. Just make sure you open up that space, get a good stretch here, and open. So I'm basically laying on the roller like this and going across it using my body weight to apply pressure. Triceps, same thing. You can lie down on those, go to stretch, and use your body weight to push through. So really you can use this foam roller for anything, all of your entire body, as long as you put body weight pressure into it and make sure you get a good long push through. So 7 seconds down, 7 seconds up. If you go too quickly, you aren't going to get anything out of it. It's just like a stretch. If you don't stretch for a longer period of time, sitting, standing, or if you go to a massage and they go, okay, done, did you really get anything out of it? No. So this is where you can do a self-massage. It's going to be beneficial for you to prevent injury and also keep your soreness level down over time. It's going to hurt really, really bad the first time because you haven't done it. But if you get used to it, doing it frequently, then you'll keep your soreness level down, keep your muscles more flexible, and hopefully prevent injury in the future.